Hi! Welcome to another video about makeup by me, Megan. I am very excited to do this video because it's going to be very practical for my actual life. I have a holiday party to get to and I totally got sidetracked doing other stuff, and now all of a sudden I have to leave in only 30 minutes, which leaves me exactly about 10 minutes for makeup and maybe 15 minutes to fix my hair because I have to blow dry it because I took a shower, and then like a little extra time just to pad on there to, you know, get to the party. So I thought for this video, I would actually do my makeup in only 10 minutes so you can see a super fast way to get glam if you ran out of time. I'm gonna speed up a few things just because I don't want you to get bored. For example, my eyebrows, I will just fast forward really fast, but I'm still gonna keep the camera rolling so that you can see me actually complete a look in only 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and start the clock. The timer, and I'm gonna throw 10 minutes on here. There we go, 10 minutes. Start! Start! Ah! We're going. Put this right here so I can't cheat. I've already moisturized my skin, of course, so I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm using that e.l.f. acne fighting foundation that I thought I hated, but now I love it. I put a bunch on my hand here, and to get really fast application, I'm going in with a brush. Look how fast that is. This is a kabuki brush. Ooh, cutie! And I am just getting that foundation on. Awesome. Yep, just blending it all on there. I normally like to use a sponge for liquid foundations, as I've said in literally every other video of mine. Hi, pups! Okay, I cannot get distracted by the cats for this video. But if I want to just get things done really quickly, a brush is a great way to do that. Great. I feel really nice about how that is looking, and let's do a quick time check. It looks like, okay, I still have, oh man, I'm gonna waste all my time trying to prove to you that I'm not cheating. Okay, so there's still 8 minutes left, so 2 minutes for foundation. Whoa, brightness, there we go. Okay, so now it's time to throw in my concealer. I've got my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just throwing 3 stripes each side, one down the middle, one in the middle, one in the middle. For concealer, I'm gonna bounce that in with a damp sponge, like so. You can use a brush for concealer, I guess. I prefer a sponge just because I think it leaves a nicer finish, but who knows? Whatever you want to do to make things go quickly. So for powder, I'm really excited. I snagged the last Patrick Starrr powder at MAC, and this is just supposed to be the best powder ever. And look, it comes in this really cute container. So I'm just gonna throw some powder, ooh, that's nice, on my under eyes here. Do a little baking action. Baking just makes your makeup last way longer. And you do wipe off this powder after you're done doing a couple other makeup things. For example, I'm gonna do my eyes and eyebrows while the powder sits on my face. Okay, for eyebrows, I'm using that Benefit Precisely My Brow, which is my favorite brow pencil right now. And I'm gonna do these, but I'm gonna speed through it just because watching people do their eyebrows is boring. So here we go. Okay, I definitely should have set out all of the products that I was going to use just to save myself some time instead of wasting time digging through my stupid makeup bag, but you live and you learn, and it's too late to go back. Okay, I feel really good about my eyebrows. With a big fluffy brush, I'm wiping away that bake, and as I wipe it away, I'm spreading it onto the rest of my face because cardinal rule, cream foundation, layer of powder, powder bronzer. Every time, no matter what, if you don't do it that way, you will get gross and muddy, I promise. So let me just grab my bronzer here on a big fluffy brush, dip it in, just warming up the face here. I'm not doing a contour, really. I'm just doing a easy breezy bronze because I'm, you know, trying to go fast, and I wasted time searching for my makeup in my makeup bag because I didn't think it through, and that was very stupid. Great. We have 3 minutes left. We can do it. And then I am grabbing a highlighter brush and my mixture of all of my broken highlighters and just going on the high points of my face. Yes. Great. Extra glow up here a little bit. Little lips, little chin, little nose action. I mean, it's a holiday party, so we can be willy-nilly with the glow. Although, who am I kidding? This is kind of how I do my highlighter for everyday wear, because I just love to be a disco ball. Spritz now, and for the final couple of minutes, I can focus on a very fast and easy eye look. So I'm grabbing that same bronzer, and I'm just going in the corners and crease of my eye like so, just to give myself a little bit of warmth. You've seen me do this a million times or 10 times or however many videos I have that I've done this exact thing with my eyeshadow slash bronzer. Okay, looking beautiful, lovely. And then I'm going to grab, this is from Stila. It is a liquid eyeshadow that is very glittery. And I'm just gonna throw that all over the lid. Looking really pretty. And then, of course, we will just grab our mascara. Awesome. Love how that looks. And we have, okay, a minute and 29 seconds left. So I'm gonna go with a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick here. Okay, love that. And then I've got this Nude Sticks lip crayon that I'm gonna put in the center for a little bit of a highlight. Love how that looks. Okay, so I've got my highlight, I've got my mascara, I've got my sparkles, my eyebrows are done, my look is done, and oh my gosh, yeah, there it is. I have, let me see if I can focus it. There. Oh gosh. Wow, 12, 11, 10, yeah, so we did it. 10 minutes. I mean, my hair doesn't look too bad. It's still wet. I will need to dry it, but I'm definitely gonna have enough time to get to my party on time, which is great. Yay! Oh, great. Didn't even do that on purpose. All right, I dried my hair. I'm adding one more step. I know it's not in the 10 minutes, but this is the Fenty Beauty, the Diamond Balm. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of that in the middle of my lips. Oh yeah, that's really pretty and fun. Yay! And I also wanted to show you my holiday earrings. I just took some ribbon and curled it with the scissors, and then I took a pair of earrings that I already have. These are just like cute little studs that I have, and stuck it through the ribbon, and there you go. That is, oh hi sweetie. Yay! So festive and so fun. You'll be the hit of your holiday party or any party that you choose to go to. Why wouldn't you want to be able to do this with your earrings all night, huh? I just want to show you really quickly the mess that I was dealing with. That this is what I was digging through to find my products during that video. It probably would have taken me even less time if I had just, you know, been organized. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed watching this very frantic video. I feel very confident with this makeup. I feel very ready to go out and have fun at the party. Like, I feel done. Now, obviously, if I had more time, I would have probably done some eyeliner, done multiple eyeshadows with the glitter. This just goes to show that you don't have to be super high maintenance to wear makeup. You can literally just take 10 minutes and look fabulous. Obviously, it takes some practice probably, but makeup is for everybody. Thank you for choosing my video to watch out of the millions of makeup videos that are on the internet. It means so much, and I will see you for my next video.